In the field of medical products, quality is the lifeline. We always believe that good products come from good equipment. Behind every high-quality infusion bag, there is a set of professional equipment supporting it. What we provide is not the bag itself, but the advanced technology to produce it. Our automatic production line covers every key process, from film unwinding, cutting, and heat sealing, to interface welding and sterile treatment. All operations are completed by precision machinery, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and stability. Our system supports fully automated intubation, inserting both inlet and exhaust tubes, and using high-temperature fusion welding to create a durable, hermetic seal. Whether for high-speed mass production or customized batch runs, the system is designed to handle it all, reliably. We are equipped with intelligent visual inspection system, which can detect welding defects, bag size deviation, and interface connection problems in real time, and realize automatic rejection of defective products. Combined with manual sampling, we build a double quality assurance mechanism to ensure the rate and stability of finished products. This is more than a machine. It's a complete turnkey solution designed to scale with your business. From installation to after-sales support, we're with you every step of the way. This is the complete solution we provide for the production of large infusion soft bags, driven by technology, powered by precision. We deliver not products, but the capability to manufacture them.